In this video, I'll show you a ready-to-use POS system in Google Sheets with a web app. It's simple, easy to use, and works on your laptop, phone, or tablet. Let's do a quick sample transaction so you can see how easy it is to use. The transactions will be automatically saved in the Google Sheet under the transaction sheet. Now, let's try adding some items to our inventory and see how easy it is to make them available in the POS. Just reload the POS page, and the new items will automatically appear in the list. I hope you like it. And I'm sure you'll agree, this tool is really easy to use. Here are some features that are not available in this version, they're commercial features. If you're interested in any of these, let me know.